The brain cortex in humans makes up about 76% of the brain, while in chimpanzees it only makes up 72%. This small difference of barely 4% in the development of the neocortex seems to be the key for the distance between human beings and other primates. The more neocortex there is, the higher number of cells there are and connections among them. As a result, there is a greater ability for observation, reflection, and learning. Apes can create images in their mind that reproduce reality. But human beings can also elaborate symbols and concepts, representations of this reality that are more or less abstract, which allows them to make observations with a broader point of view. While an orangutan feels anger, it is overwhelmed by the emotion. This can also happen to human beings, but they are the only ones that can reflect on the concept of anger, or even modify their behavior after this reflection. The distance between this angry ape and the human who controls his anger is greater when the human can also transmit and teach its peers the advantages and inconveniences of anger. Greater communication, higher learning, and better permeability in the environment have allowed humans to develop cultures, an intellectual knowledge that completes and enriches the biological knowledge and the personal instinct of the species. And just like genes, culture can be transmitted from parents to children, and thanks to this, children can broaden the limited knowledge of past generations. This does not happen in any other animal community.
The other extraordinary thing about humans in particular, unlike any other animal, is because we have not only our own individual memories in our heads, but because we have memories which are created socially by writing, by television, by radio, by the media, by the historical record, our memories, unlike any other species, are also social and historical. They don't begin and end with our own deaths.
Does the brain change as more knowledge is acquired? Children go to school. Would they have the same brain if they didn't go? The degree of influence that the environment and culture have on the human brain is another area for scientific debate. Controversy arises between those who defend that we are a result of genetic inheritance and those who believe that the brain is molded, especially with real experiences and the information received from the surrounding world.